You can save months of audio learning with just a 1-hour course. This is an audio cleanup mastery course to assist you in getting clean audio from your audio recordings. I will give link in the description and in the pinned comment. I am offering a discount for the next 4 days. You will get all the necessary information for audio cleanup in one place. Enroll in the course before the discount disappears. I have explained all the necessary steps using the free software Audacity. So from noise reduction to uneven recording to proper loudness level, everything is covered. I also discussed how to apply the same techniques with Adobe Audition. I have shown the use of AI software that works pretty well. I have shown how to integrate the solution with video editing software. I highly encourage you to enroll in this course, where you are getting all the information in one place. You can give me your valuable feedback. I can add more information as you need.